Okay, another day, another problem. Sum of four consecutive odd whole numbers. What are whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. What are odd numbers? Odd numbers are those that are not even. So that begs the question, what are even numbers? Even numbers are those that are divisible by 2. So multiples of 2 in other words. So 2, 4, 6, 8. The circled ones are all even numbers. Whatever is left are odd numbers. So 3, 5, 7, 9. These are odd numbers. So the problem is find there are some unknown four consecutive odd whole numbers and their sum is how much? 48. We have to find the smallest odd whole number from these four consecutive odd whole numbers. Let's go step by step. So, what is the unknown? The smallest odd whole number. Let's call it x this time. Let's also make a number line. Let's say this is x. And we know that x is what? X is an odd number and it's a whole number, meaning 0 is somewhere here. X is greater than 0. That is something we know. We may not use it, but we know that x is greater than 0. And it is an odd number, meaning it cannot be a multiple of 2. What will be the next odd number right after x? So it will be x plus 1 or will it be x plus 2? Think about it, the answer is x plus 2 because x plus 1 would be the next number to odd number. Let's say this is 3. So what would be x plus 1? 4. And the number next to odd number would be even. Hence, the next odd number would be x plus 2. We have four such numbers. So smallest is x, next is x plus 2, next would be, yes, x plus 4, next would be x plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four consecutive odd whole numbers. What is their sum? We have to do the sum. Their sum meaning addition. Add all of them. And what do we get? 48. So this is my algebraic expression in the variable x. This is the value of this expression for a particular value of x for which I need to solve. And this is my equation. I have my left hand side, I have my right hand side. To solve it, all I need to do is follow some steps and get the value of x. And then I will know what is the smallest number and I can calculate all the four numbers. Though I need to only find the smallest number, which is x. So let's start solving. So I can rearrange it because it is addition. So it can be written as x plus x plus x plus x. I brought all x's together and then all rest of the numbers together. 2 plus 4 plus 6. It's all fine, correct? Now x plus x plus x plus x, repeated addition is multiplication. So it becomes 4x. 2 plus 4 plus 6 is 12 equal to 48. Since I want to solve for x, I want to remove everything from left hand side except x. So first let's get rid of 12. One way to look at it is I can send 12 to the right hand side. When I send 12 to right hand side, the sign changes. So plus becomes minus, multiplication becomes division and vice versa. So I send it to the other side. 4x is equal to 48 minus 12. Or another way to look at it is that because I only want x on the left hand side, I need to remove other parts. So what I do, if I want to remove plus 12, I will have to introduce a minus 12. So plus 12 minus 12, they will cancel each other out. If I add, this is something, if I add 12 to this and then I subtract 12 from this, there is no change. So this 12 and this 12 cancel each other out. And because it is an equation, to maintain the equality, I need to do whatever I did on the left hand side, I need to do the same thing on the right hand side. What did I do here? I subtracted 12, or I added minus 12 if I talk in terms of negative numbers. So minus 12 was here, so I need to put minus 12 here as well. So now my equation is 4x is equal to 48 minus 12 is 36. Next step is remove this 4. How will I remove this? Simple. Think in terms of either I send it here. If I send it to right hand side, currently it is in multiplication, 4 multiplied by x. If I send it to right hand side, it becomes division. So x is equal to 36 divided by 4. This is one way to think about it. Or we can go the normal way, that if I want to remove, if I want only x here, what do I need to do with this expression? I need to divide this expression by 4 because it is multiplied by 4. So 4 multiplied by x, if I divide it by 4, what is left? X is left because, let's do it quickly, 4x. If I divide it by 4, 4x are 4x, and this is what is left. So if I divide it on both the sides, here I am left with x, 36 divided by 4. And what is 36 divided by 4? 9. So x is equal to 9. So the smallest odd number in this series of consecutive odd whole numbers is 9. So what are the rest of the three numbers? 9, 11, 13, 15. Let's add them up and verify our answer. 9 plus 1, 10, 13, 18. 1 carry over, 4. So the answer is correct.